Welcome to Millings Auto Parts and More. We are located in Old Harbor, St. Catherine today. We're diving into the crucial topic of car maintenance, focusing on key parts that require regular attention. Maintaining your car isn't just about looks. It's about safety, reliability, and preserving its value. Regular servicing of essential components extends your car's lifespan and prevents costly repairs. Let's start with the heart of your vehicle, the engine. Regular oil changes are fundamental to engine health. Sparks plugs, you'll need the ultimate start one and start. Next up, the brake system. Inspect brake pads and rotors regularly. Your tires connect your car to the road. Monitor tire pressure and tread depth monthly. Have your suspension system inspected to ensure a smooth ride and stable handling. A healthy battery ensures your car starts reliably. Clean battery terminals and check connections. Regular maintenance enhances safety and performance, saving you money in the long run. Remember, taking care of your car ensures it takes care of you. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day and drive safely. Please like and subscribe.